What's going on, guys? It's your boy Knockout 360 here with another video for you guys. So you know how it's going down when I come around, man. As you can tell, we're in the car, so that's a car vlog, right? So let's just go ahead and get into it, man. I'm gonna be quick with you guys today. I'm not gonna hold you up too long. So previously, a couple videos back, man, I told you guys basically not to buy the 2020 wide body Charger, man. And I basically explained my reasoning for that was I didn't feel like Dodge made enough modifications, upgrades, and updates to the actual car to warrant someone like, you know, someone in the position that already owns a Scat or owns an SRT 392 or owns a Hellcat to upgrade, right? For a guy like myself, considering I'm driving a V6 Charger, that might be a reasonable upgrade, but then again, we know that 2021 is right around the corner with the new body style. So once again, that is just another negative against upgrading to 2020. I told you guys that. So if you're out there with the 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, Scat Pack or Hellcat, do not upgrade. I've already told you that. Let me tell you why specifically though, and better yet, I understand that a lot of people out there are leaning towards that because of the wide body, right? We've seen the wide body Challenger for so long. We've seen the Demon, we've seen the Hellcat, we've seen the Hellcat Red Eye. Challenger has been having all the fun as far as the wide body is concerned, and quite naturally, us Charger guys, we want to get in on it too. I feel you on that. One thing that I've been seeing a lot here recently, and this has probably happened since Dodge kind of debuted the wide body Charger, is that I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram. I put all the information at the beginning of this video. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram having third-party body shops add the wide body kit to their car, right? And I'll be honest with you, you know I'm a Dodge guy like you. I can always spot some bullshit, you know, a mile away. I can always spot a fake. I can always spot this, that, and the other. I cannot tell the difference. Looking at these wide body kits, these fender flares that these body shops are putting on, I cannot tell the difference between, you know, what is a wide body Charger as far as what came from the factory and what was done in the body shop. You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing that a lot here recently. I gave you one example of an actual 5.7 that's got the SRT appearance package, has the wide body kit, dope as shit, that nice octane red. And then I'll give you another example of a 707 horsepower Hellcat that has the wide body kit. And of course he has his wrap, so that's a different story, but still it's the wide body kit and it's legit looking. It's not the bolt-on look in the sense that it's got the little bolts and the little, you know, screws and shit that's in the side of the actual fender flare. It's the actual legitimate wide body fender flare kit that you would get with the 2020 Charger, right? Now, on the surface, you know, if you've done your homework on the new 2020 Charger, you'll understand just looking at the inside of it, it's the exact same. So let's go ahead and throw that out. The inside is the exact same. You're not getting any modification to the inside. Everything that you see here from 15 to 19 is the exact same. The only difference that you're actually getting with the car itself as far as the body is concerned, because once again, performance is the same. 707 horsepower Hellcat Charger, 485 horsepower Scat Pack Charger. No difference there. The only difference that you're getting is really realistically two differences. The wide body fender flares, which if I'm not mistaken is around 3 inches wide, 3 inches additionally to the body. Obviously, they're going to give you the big tires and the big rims that go along with that car. So you'll be getting 310s, 305s all the way around. Big tires, of course. So that's number one. Number two is the actual front end of the car. You know, I got on you guys about the front end of the 2020 Charger because I didn't think it was creative. I didn't think Dodge put anything into it. I think that they just pulled that from the new Durango SRTs and threw that out there and said, hey, listen, this is something new, when in actuality, it's not. The front end of the 2020 wide body Chargers looks just like the SRT Durangos. If you've done the research on that, you'll know exactly why I'm saying that, right? So that's ultimately why I steered you guys away from buying the 2020 Charger. I told you guys to hold off on that, wait for the new body, or for you guys that's, you know, financially conscious, as I am as well, wait till that new shit drops, and then everything prior to 19s, 18s will be dirt cheap, right? Hellcat Scat Packs included. You're going to make the decision if you own a 5.7 with the SRT package, if you own a 6.4 with the SRT package, well, obviously SRT package, if you own a 6.2 Hellcat, you have no business upgrading to the 2020 Dodge Charger wide body. No business whatsoever. You are literally paying for a wide body kit. That's literally it. Literally it. You're getting nothing in addition to what you already have in your Charger Scat Pack or SRT 392 or Daytona or your Hellcat. You're getting nothing in addition to that. Everything is literally the same. The only thing that you're getting different, like I said, bigger rims, bigger tires, which once again, that does not warrant you upgrading to a brand new car just for bigger rims and tires. I told you guys in that video that a lot of body shops will be able to do that, and they'll be able to do it for a fraction of the cost of obviously upgrading to a brand new car. Well, I'm seeing a lot of people on Instagram are doing that already. I already showed you the examples. Body shops are doing this, man. I've gone all over the websites, all over the internet, scoured the internet for these body kits. Car ID has body kits for Chargers. This website called Fast Hemis has body kits for Chargers, and those body kits are starting anywhere between $800 to about $1,500. So we're looking at the absolute extreme, $1,500 for the wide body kit, and then of course you have to pay to get them put on. So let's say $1,500 for the wide body kit on the extreme side, and let's say $400, $500, $600. Let's just go extreme. $600 to get them installed. And then, of course, they have to be color matched as well, so they have to be painted. $600 for the color matching and the actual installation of the wide body fender flares. $2,100. $2,100 to take your 15, your 16, your 17, 18, and 19 and make it look like a 2020. And you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. Because if you notice with the 2020, they don't have the two front vents that the 2019s have. Right? So if you have a 2019 with the front vents and you go out and get the third-party wide body kit, your shit actually looks pretty damn dope. And to be quite honest with you, it may look doper or more dope, more dope than the 2020s coming off the lot. That's just my personal opinion there. I'm saying this to say there are options that you can get what you want for a fraction of the cost. Everybody wants that wide body look. Everybody wants that clean wide body look too. Nobody wants that, you know, the fucking bolted into the wide body kit. I've seen a lot of Chargers in the past that had that, and I never liked it because it looked like exactly what it is, third party. Not anymore. These body shops have gotten smart. Obviously, these companies are looking at the wide body Charger, the 2020, and saying, well, let's just replicate that. So they're replicating that, and you won't be able to tell the fucking difference. I guarantee you. I don't obviously know what they look like up close in person. This is what I've been seeing on the gram. This is what I've been seeing on social media. But looking at the videos, looking at the pictures, I can't tell the difference. And you guys know that I'm a Dodge guy. Excuse me if it's getting dark here. I'm not going to hold you too long. This video just kind of came to me out the blue. But I can't tell the difference, man. The 2020 and 2015 that's got a third-party wide-body kit on it. I'm just going to be frank with you. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, that presents an alternative. That presents an alternative for you all out there who are in the market for that. If you do own a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, do not upgrade. Don't do it. I'm telling you, do not upgrade. It's not warranted. From a performance perspective, it's not warranted. From an appearance perspective, it's not warranted. Do not upgrade. It's not worth it. If you want that wide body kit look so bad, instead of upgrading, go out to a body shop, do your research, order the wide body kit, have them color matched, and have a body shop install them onto your car. Plenty of people do it. I'm sure it's 100% safe. I'm sure it's 100%, you know, professionally done, depending on what body shop you go to. If you go to, you know, Jose and Hose B, no telling what you get. But realistically, if you go to a body shop, they're going to do a good job and put the shit on there the right way, man. You know what I'm saying? Get it color matched. Although Dodge has a lot of colors, our colors are fairly easy to replicate. I can't see that being a problem there. Get it color matched. Save yourself some money. Now, with that being said, I'm trying to save you guys some money. Save your money, guys. Do not upgrade if you already have a 392 or 707, 392 or a Hellcat. There's no reason for you to upgrade to 2020 if you own a 392 or a Hellcat. Save your money. Put that money into modifications to your 392 or your Hellcat or whatever the case may be. Do not upgrade to a wide body. It's not worth your money. It's not worth your time, and it's not worth putting more money into a brand new car, which would put you into a further hole, financially speaking, you know, when it comes time to upgrade in 2021 or 2022. I mean, I can't tell the difference, man. Talk to your boy, like, subscribe, comment. How do you feel about it? Is it something that you would consider? Being that this is your car, would you allow a body shop to drill into your car, cut into your car, do what's necessary? Talk to your boy, man. It can be an expensive process. $2,100 is expensive for anybody, But if that's the look that you want, $2,100 or an additional $85,000 for a new Hellcat, I don't know, talk to me. It seems like a no-brainer, but talk to your boy. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Once again, I apologize for it being dark. This video just kind of came to me on a whim, and I figured I had to go ahead and get it out to you guys. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.